Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Yummy Arts Theater. Yay! Today we welcome Chef Charity. She's going to show us all about cake boards and displays, and this is something that we've actually never covered fully at all, and this is so exciting. Take it away, Chef Charity.
All right. Okay, well, I'm super excited about this because anyone who's ever met me and chatted with me for more than 5 minutes about cake knows how passionate I am about this subject. And I'm going to show you why. And once I show you why, then we're going to go into all kinds of possibilities. I'm going to tell you about how I make cake boards. You can, of course, take it and make them however you want to. Pick up a few ideas if you want to. I'm going to go into how I do this business-wise, how I charge my clients for these, how I pick what I do for display and for cake boards, and how I help my clients do a good job at displaying their cakes, because a lot of this is kind of like pulling stuff out of your clients, especially those bridezillas. Anyway, so first off, we're going to look at a whole bunch of do's and don'ts. Excellent. And right off the bat, I don't really pay attention as to whose cakes these are that I'm going to show you. They are in magazines, which means they are published.
Which means the cakes are really great.
The cakes are fantastic.
Yeah.
Which is the sad part to me, because I should have started off with this. Okay. These are my two sayings. Would you put the Mona Lisa in a Walmart frame? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Any of you who've been to the Louvre, you know it's in a magnificent frame. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, that's more Home Depot than Walmart.
Yeah, so. Well, we're going to talk about home improvement stores. Good. I don't want to endorse anyone. Then my other thing is, would you put the statue of David on a wood pallet?
Probably not.
No,
not unless you're moving them.
Okay, so then why, when you spend a week, 2 weeks, a month, depending on if it's a competition cake, why on earth would you spend all that time and make this beautiful piece of edible art and stick it on one of these suckers? Seriously? They're like $3.
Here's the answer. Because I didn't know any better.
I know. They didn't know any better. So okay, so here's the deal too. If you want to leave now, because I'm about to ruin you, you're never going to look at anybody else's cakes the same. You're never going to look at your own cakes the same. And you're going to start looking at everything around you as a possible cake display or cake board. I promise.
Cool.
It happens. So if you want to leave now, go ahead.
Okay, we'll wait. Okay, we're back.
Okay. I warned you.
Yep.
All right. And I also, again, I apologize to whomever these cakes are that I'm going to show you. Again, I love the cakes. They're great. They're fantastic. They're beautiful. They're published. But they needed to just go that much further and finish their art. If you just sit it on a piece of junk, basically, you're not finishing your art. You're not finishing the visual. You're not finishing the look, the feel. It just kind of stops. Okay? So, for instance, this really adorable picnic cake. Love it. It's super cute, right? It's adorable. They even did so much as to take the ants and do a cute thing and get your eye following down there, except where are you stopping? Right there on that dang foil cake drum, right? Mm-hmm. So what would have been better? Take this cool picnic pattern, this tablecloth pattern, and do that around there. Oh. Then it's balanced, and your eye can continue to be drawn towards something really pretty and not this thing. I know. I told you, I'm passionate about this.
Yeah.
So I apologize for maybe some of my strong language. Because it really irks me that people do this. Okay, and that's why we're going to teach you now not to.
Okay. So you don't irk Chef Charity.
Yes. Okay, as a contrast, it's a very simple, beautiful, clean-lined cake. And what it's sitting on is part of the art. It finishes it off, right? It is sitting on a very appropriately colored, appropriately shaped board. And it finishes the art. Can you see how that happens? Versus this, how that does not happen, right?
Because on that one, on the picnic cake, the only thing of the entire piece of art that's silver is the base. It's the only thing.
It's imbalanced.
Balance.
It doesn't work. It literally, like, it just, your eye, you'll start to notice. Your eye will go, oh, cool cake.
Yeah.
Whoa. And you just stop because it's not part of the art.